How to use markup and draw in photos in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now you click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So click on Photos app, click on library, select the photo you want to use markup and draw. So click on this three dot icon and click on this edit icon and click on this markup icon. So you will see you can also use pencil from here. You can also use pen. You can also use highlighter from here. You can also erase, you want to erase. You can also delete. You can also use scale from make a straight line. You will see straight line, and you can also use so after using, click on this tick icon, click on done. You will see. So that's how you can use markup and draw in photos in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.